Hi, I'm Stephen Balaban, CEO of Lambda. Today, we're going to be going over the Lambda Echelon, which is our turnkey GPU cluster. Echelon is a GPU cluster that's designed for machine learning workloads. It combines compute, high-performance networking, and storage into a single package. So instead of stitching together a solution from a bunch of different vendors, inevitably causing you a big headache, with Echelon, you get to work with Lambda, and we're the single vendor for your entire cluster. It really dramatically simplifies the entire process of designing and building a cluster. Lambda's had the privilege to work with some of the biggest companies in the world, some of the top universities in the world, and we've applied that experience to designing the Echelon. The Echelon can scale from a single rack with 40 GPUs up to dozens and dozens of racks with thousands of GPUs. Each rack is shipped to you in a rack crate like this. All you have to do is open it up and roll it off the rack crate into your data center. It's ready to go right out of the box. So it really is that easy. With Lambda, we don't just stop at installing the cluster. Once you've got it installed, we fully support the cluster end to end. So if you've got any issues with it or you want some technical support, you can send us an email, give us a phone call. You'll be able to talk with a Linux system administrator or an HPC expert or a machine learning engineer to help debug what problems you might be experiencing. We offer a bunch of different storage choices, both open source and proprietary. And this really can help reduce storage vendor lock-in. Whether you want to sort of roll your own or go with something that's already pre-built, we're happy to support whatever storage solution you want. Each Echelon cluster comes pre-installed with Lambda Stack, which helps keep all the software on your cluster up to date. So when you switch from CUDA 10 to CUDA 11, Lambda Stack will automatically not just update your drivers and CUDA, but PyTorch and TensorFlow too. It really makes administering it significantly easier. Lambda Stack and Echelon also support GPU accelerated Docker containers. So whether you've written your own Docker files or you're using a Docker image from a container registry like NGC, we support all of that. If you'd like a little bit more of a technical deep dive on it, you can check out our How to Build a GPU Cluster for AI talk on YouTube, or you can read the Lambda Echelon white paper, which is available on the Lambda Echelon landing page. The link for that is in the description, so you can check it out there. We're really excited to be able to work with you, so reach out to us and sit down with an HPC engineer from Lambda, and we'll design a cluster that's specifically tailored for your team's use case, and they're going to be really happy with all the additional compute. Thank you very much for taking the time to learn more about Echelon. Looking forward to talking with you. Take care.